Hello students, you are welcome to social study class for JSS 2. This is week 4 and we are still on our theme science and technology. Last class we looked at home appliances. We said home appliances are devices and tools, equipment that we use at home to make work, to do our house chore and make it easier and faster for us. This week we are looking at home appliances again, but this time we are seeing breakdown of home appliances. Before we continue, we are going to look at our learning objective. Our learning objective for this lesson is 1. Students should be able to outline at least 3 causes of breakdown of home appliances. 3 causes of breakdown of home appliances. Number 2, students should be able to state at least 3 correct ways of using electrical home appliances. Number 2, students should be able to state at least 3 correct ways of using home appliances. In our last class, we looked at home appliances to be devices or piece of equipment designed to perform a task. We also said home appliances are used for household chores to make work easier and faster. Examples of household appliances are blender, air conditioner, washing machine, pressing iron, etc. The images you are seeing here are images of some of the home appliances that have been mentioned. Blender is here, is used for mixing food and other substance. Washing machine is also used for washing and drying clothes. We have pressing iron that is used for pressing clothes when it's plugged. We are moving to our new subheading now, and that's subheading, which is causes of breakdown of home appliances. We are simply focusing on reasons or why home appliances break down, what is responsible for home appliances not to work again. One of them is increase in power voltage. Increase in power voltage. If the power voltage of power that is power voltage supplied to an electric appliance is too much, or it increase, it fluctuates, it may damage an home appliance if it is on. Also, when power spark occur due to increase in power level, that's number 2. When power spark occur due to increase in power level, this can also lead to damage or breakdown of home appliances. Also, sudden decrease, number 3, sudden decrease in voltage can lead to breakdown of home appliances. We have improper installation of appliances. It could lead to breakdown of home appliances. For example, the flat screen television that is in use now, we are using at our home now, it is installed with wall bracket. If the wall bracket is not well placed and is holding television very well, the TV may fall down due to this improper installation and cause a damage to the home appliance television. Number 5, wrong use of home appliances. If home appliances are not used for the purpose which they are made for, it could damage the home appliances. For example, spilling of water to connected plug. If water is poured to an appliance that does not require water, it could damage the home appliance. We are moving to another subheading, which is correct ways of using electrical appliances. Correct ways of using electrical appliances. Number 1, switch off the power after use. When you are not using an electrical appliances, it is expected that it should be switched off to avoid being damaged or causing an accident. Number 2, do not splash water to connected plug of an electrical appliances. Do not tie the wire because it is too long, especially when it is in use. When electrical appliances is in use, it is expected that the user should not tie the wire together because it is too long. If it is done, it will lead to an accident. Number 4, do not overload the socket with different electrical appliances. And number 5, always clean your electrical home appliances with dry clothes after you have used it. Number 6, do not touch electrical appliance with wet hand or barefoot. I'll take that again. Do not touch electrical appliances with wet hand and barefoot. If you want to use an home appliance, it's expected that you clean your hands with dry cloth before you touch your home appliances, so as not to have a shock. Also, do not use detergent or spray insecticide on these appliances. Home appliances are expected to be cleaned with dry clothes, not with detergent or spray insecticide on them, because we have insect there. Lastly, we are looking at our subheading, which is wrong use of home appliances. That the danger in using home appliances wrongly. One of the danger of using home appliances wrongly is 1, electric shock. This results when naked wire or faulty appliance is in use. Also, it could lead to injury. Injury is number 2. One may get injured in the use of home appliances if not correctly used. Also, the home appliances may get damaged. These are also danger. An appliance may get damaged if it is not used. Fire outbreak. Fire outbreak may occur if an home appliance is wrongly used, and the fire outbreak may consume a building or damage other property. Death is also another danger that can occur if home appliances are wrongly used. A person who uses home appliances wrongly may be electrocuted, and this may lead to death. We have come to the end of our lesson for today. We are quickly going to do a recap of all that have been taught for you to have a better understanding of the lesson. We have been looking at the topic science and technology, and the subtopic we are looking at today is breakdown of home appliances. We have discussed that home appliances are devices or piece of equipment designed to perform a task. It is used for household chores to make work easier and faster. We have also seen examples of home appliances which include blender, air condition, washing machine, pressing iron, etc. And we are seeing images of these appliances. We have also looked at causes or breakdown of appliances. So home appliances breakdown of causes of breakdown of appliances. When there is increase in power voltage, home appliances may break down. When power spark occur due to increase in power level, it could also lead to breakdown of home appliances. We have seen sudden decrease in power voltage also as a cause of breakdown of home appliances. We have also mentioned the fact that if home appliances are not properly installed, it could cause damage of home appliances. We have seen that if you use home appliances wrongly for the purpose which is not made for, it can cause the breakdown of home appliances. I will cite an example. Say when we spill water to a connected plug, it could damage the plug. Also, we saw a subheading that says correct ways of using electrical appliances. One of the correct ways to use electrical appliances is to switch off power after you have used the home appliances. You switch off the power from the socket. Number 2 is that you do not splash water to connected plug. Number 3, do not tie the wire together because it is too long. Lastly, we saw another subheading on dangers in wrong use of appliances. We say home appliances, if they are wrongly used, it could lead to electric shock. We have also seen that it can lead to injury of a person. Home appliance can inflict injury on somebody if it is wrongly used. Damage. The home appliance itself may get damaged if not well used. Fire outbreak is another danger in wrong use of home appliance. Fire outbreak may occur and damage properties and other home appliances. Number 5 is the last one. Home appliance could lead to death of the user if it is not well used. Can electrocute the user and could lead to death. We have come to the end of our lesson for today. What we have next is our assignment. Our assignment is to explain briefly the meaning of assertiveness. Also, if you have any question for us to attend to, kindly upload your question on our WhatsApp page and submit assignment on the same platform. It will be attended to. Thank you for having this class.